Hello everybody, it's Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it going? I hope everyone's alright. Uh, well, it has been over a month since I came back home, uh, and since I moved back home. I must say that that I at least have been selling. Well, it kind of feels like I never left, in a sense. Um, the only thing, the huge difference is that I've, at least when I moved back home, I kind of feel like I need to clean up a little bit. So I have at least cleared out most of my hot sauces, and probably need to. I probably need to at least get some more. I still have a couple, but yeah. Um, and at the same time, I've been busy with uh, family, friends. Uh, Now my new work that I've been doing for 3 weeks now. Um, and yeah, uh, I wonder. Well, the question might be, um, do I miss Eskilstuna? Well, I miss the people, um, because I spent almost 3 years there, um, and has have met a lot of amazing people. Um, so of course, um, I I miss the people, and at the same time, uh, Eskilstuna helped me with some lifestyle changes in that sense as well, since I tended to at least when I moved down there, my food choices wasn't really that good. But at the same time, for some reason, I had a goal to at least try something new, uh, food wise, while I was down there. But considering the fact that it's I also needed to save up some money, so I phased that out, and also I ate a lot of crisps, and I phased the crisps. I phased that out as well, um, and had a goal to walk like 50K a week. Uh, I managed to at least walk half that for work, and then on the weekends just walk the rest. And I've tried to do that here as well, but uh, I at least go out every Sunday at least, to have to go on a walk, just to have something else to do, so I don't just sit on the couch and doing nothing. Um, and Will I go back down there? Sure, I might come down to visit the place, um, and but we will see when that happens, and of course I will explore other places here. Uh, Probably take a day trip somewhere. But yeah, we will see what happens. So yeah, comment below what you think, like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.